Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you this lovely Scrapbook Folio 2 that was created by one of my design team ladies, Heather. It's to celebrate the birth of her friend's new baby. The baby is actually called Chloe, but her granddad calls her Cleo, so that's why there's a little twist. But I just had to share it with you because this is what scrapbook folios are all about. It's about getting your photos in one place. People often say to me, what is a folio? What is a scrapbook folio? A scrapbook folio is a photo album, somewhere for you to present and keep your memories all in one place. All those beautiful, cute photographs, pockets to keep extra memorabilia in here. She's added lots of little additional, photo mats in the bottom here, but just to celebrate the lovely photographs. They're all in one place, and this is what a scrapbook folio is about. It's about preserving those memories and keeping them all in one place. So just think of your scrapbook folios or any of your folios as albums, photo albums, somewhere that you can get creative and store your memories, but by keeping them all in one place. And this also means you've got space in here to share your memorabilia as well. You can showcase those beautiful photos on scrapbook layouts, but then we can also share memorabilia as well, because we've got lots of flips and flaps and pockets and plenty of space for extra photographs and just cuteness. She's absolutely gorgeous. So this is Scrapbook Folio 2. If you haven't had a look, do check out my website. I'll leave the link below because there's space there for you to, sign up to the workshop. She's left extra space here for the parents to actually journal the journey as well. But it means keeping everything together, all in one place, to document a lovely, happy occasion. So thank you, Heather, for sharing this with us all.